What's going on guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your C drive or local disk C in your Windows 10. It's a simple procedure but very effective, and we're gonna show it as fast as possible. We are not using any third-party programs to perform this cleaning process, so you don't have to download another creepy tool in order to do this. For your information, cleaning the unfounded files from your C drive or system drive will make your Windows run much faster. So let's start. Step number 1. Cleaning. Go to your start button and right click on it. Now you will see this hidden menu, choose run from here, now enter temp and click on OK. Which will open this folder. In case if it's asking for any permission, please click on continue. Now you will see all these files and folder which are all not needed, and it's created only for the temporary purpose. So you can select all of them. Now click on shift delete on your keyboard. Some files may undeletable, so ignore them and delete the rest. Now you have to open the run box again, and this time type in %temp%. Click on OK and another folder will appear. As same as we'll deal with the last folder, continue deleting all the files. Once you do that, you have to open the run box for one last time, and this time type in perfetch. Now you will see another folder opens, and maybe it's asked you for the permission to access the files. In that case, click on continue and the files and folders will be revealed to you. Now do the same thing you did with the last two folders. Select all and hit shift plus delete, and that's it. Number 2. Recycle bin. You may know this already, but I have to tell you this. Because the majority of people are unaware of this, whenever you delete a file by right-click delete option or hitting the delete key on your keyboard, it will not remove the files from your computer. It will keep all the deleted files on your recycle bin until a certain limit. And the default Windows 10 recycle bin limit is somewhere around 50 GB. Yes, you can hit the shift plus delete key to delete a file from your computer completely, but what if you forget to do so? For your information, the recycle bin is using your C drive space, so technically if you delete something without hitting the shift key plus delete, it will eventually end up somewhere in your C drive or system drive, which will cause your system go slow. So if you don't clean up your recycle bin frequently, it will acquire a good amount of space out of your C drive. So let's delete all the files from the recycle bin as well, and hope you do this once in a while. At this point you will see improvements on your C drive space, but wait, it's not done yet. We can do a few more things, maybe better than what you saw in the previous steps. Step number 3. Uninstall. In this step we're gonna show you how to uninstall all the unfounded or rarely using software or program from your computer, which is basically installed into your C drive by default. So by removing those unwanted programs, you can get a lot more space on your C drive. For that, you need to go to the start menu and search uninstall. Now in the search result, you'll find the add or remove program, so click on it. Now we'll open the Windows settings, apps and features window. So come down here and uninstall each and every rarely using or unwanted programs. It's just a matter of clicking uninstall button and following the on-screen instructions. So I'm leaving the rest to you. Step number 4. Optimize. First you're gonna need to go to your This PC or File Explorer. Now go to C drive, right click and choose Properties. From here go to Tools and click on Optimize option under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section. Now I will see this window, so make sure you have selected your C drive from here. Once you do that, come down here and click on the Optimize button once again. And there we go, that's pretty much we can do here. Step number 5. Disk Cleanup. This is the last and final step that I know to clean your C drive even more, or to ensure everything else unfounded are cleared from your C drive. To do this, you need to go to your start menu and search Disk Cleanup. I will see it on the results, so click on it. I will perform a quick scan over your drive and show you this window. Once you're here, check each and every option and click on Clean Up System Files, and it performs a deep scan. Once it finishes, it will open this new window, as same as we did with the previous window. Just select each and every option from here as well. Now click on OK and delete files. The cleanup process may take a while, so let it finish. And there we go, that's all we can do to clean up your C drive. Hope you're all experiencing a performance boost, free up space and more enhanced system responsiveness. So that's all for today. Leave a like if you liked, subs if you loved. This is your host Amar Rafi from Geeks Tutorial. See you soon with another one.